Hi everyone, so it's Sunday, it's a busy day here at Houghton Bonsai. I've finished painting most of the black and the red on the benches. I'm going to be cleaning the pond out. The UV filter's knackered on the pond, so it's get green, it's like pea soup. So I need to get the fish out of the pond into buckets in the little pond, and I'm going to give it a good jet wash. I'll show you what I've been up to. As you see, most of the painting's done. I even got the bench a little coat up at the back there. Our Howard's not going to be our happy life. He's going to have to come out of there. And then mate, you're going to come out of there soon. Yeah. Say hi folks. Hello folks. I even put a little bit red paint on there. Just the fronts on there, just to tie it in. So, I've gone filling one bucket for some fish. Then I've got the pond over there to fill to put more fish in. I'm not going to waste the pond water. I'm on filling watering cans up, so I'll be using that to feed the trees because it'll be nice fertilizer. I don't use it too often. I only use it every couple of weeks, as it would be too strong for the trees with all the fish kit. Juicy fish shite of goodness. Look how dirty it is. Like I say, this will be super strength this, so I'll only do it every month with the pond water, because it'll be too concentrated, it'll be strong as anything. As you can see, I just let it run onto the gravel. I don't know where else for it to go. It will just soak through the membrane. But now I need to start feeding. Wait, when you got to come out, so... Happy Father's Day, all you dads and granddads. I won't record all this because this is going to take a few hours to do this pond. I'm going to have to get the filter out and give it a good blitz with a jet wash. Oh, that's over the top. If I didn't have the duck, I would have gotten rid of the pond, because it's a pain in the arse keep cleaning it out. I've asked the kids for a new hose pipe for Father's Day, so let's see if I get one, because this is a Charlotte pipe. Well, as you can see, the water's black, natural fertilizer. I want to continue with all the trees, using the water what I can, and I'm just going to pump the rest out on the gravel. I even got all the decking painted, which looks a lot tidier. There is a load of rotten, but that's where I stand the pots and the water's just going underneath. But who keeps them monkeys? How matters. We do like a bit free fertilizer, don't we, Howard? Right, mate, I'm going to have to get you out soon. problem I'm going to have is catching the fish. Like I said, it's like pea soup, and I hide about 20 little ones in when I had all the koi, so that's going to be hard work. I'm going to finish off doing all the trays, so I'm going to skip past this bit, probably come back when I'm trying to catch the fish and have a laugh. So there's a few of the big fish. I've got fish in the pond. Can you see them through there? A little bit dirty where I've been catching them. But we have got some big fish. And we're still going. I can't find the rest yet. But we're getting to the bottom. A little bit more than I can get in and get it cleaned. There's some fish in there. And a little big fat one. Hiya fishies. Fishies. So I've been knee deep in fish shit all morning. It's 20 to 5 now. I've just finished getting the pond clean. Howard looks a bit sick because he can't get in it. So the pond's on filling up. Gonna take hours. Don't you jump out there, you little get. You break your fucking neck. I just need to do the filter once this pond's all filled up, and I can get the fish back in. So a few hours to wait now. So top 40 in a can. Happy Father's Day, blokes. Hope you had a better one than me. Like I said, I've been knee deep with fish shit all day. I'm going to get the music on, a couple of cans, and we'll come back once the pond's all filled, or maybe it's tomorrow, because this is going to take about 5 hours, 6 hours. So here we go. So that's the pond nice and clear now. Isn't it, Howard? Are you playing with the fishy sword? Took a while to do, took about 8 hours. There's the fishies over there. If Howard leaves them away, we can see them now, can't we, son? Yeah. What do we say to the people? Thanks for watching. You got a nice clean pond, son. Has Dad been in the pond with you? Yeah? Dad's been in the pond with Howard.
This is when you know he's lost the fucking plot.
Are you supposed to play with a little yellow rubber duck or a proper duck?
He's supposed to get a fucking line.
Stop swearing.
Yeah.
Tell the duck to come over here. There we go. Oh, frozen. And take it. And with man, come
He said you too, Houghton. Yeah.
Ficky, ficky, ficky. There we go.
Been playing with a proper duck instead of a yellow duck, haven't we, son? I was quite surprised at how big the fish were, because I haven't seen them for that long. I'm just hiding down there, near him. Get off, you little twat. So that was just a little short video on cleaning the pond out and what I use the pond water for once I do clean it out. It is good fertilizer, but it's strong. So if you do use your pond water, only use it about once a month, I would say, or every couple of months, and just use your liquid feed. So that's the end of this little short video. As our Howard would say, the duck ingenious. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!